Imagine a factory where intelligent machines don't wait on the cloud. Instead, they analyze data and act right where it's generated in real time and with constant connectivity. This is the era of edge AI. This is the era of edge AI, which is transforming the industrial Internet of Things and setting the stage for Industry 5.0. Now, in traditional setups, data from sensors, cameras, and robots is uploaded to the cloud for processing. But this introduces delays that can slow defect detection. But this introduces delays that can slow defect detection or even halt safety critical operations. Now, Edge AI changes that. See, it pushes intelligent processing directly to the devices at the edge, which enables real time decision making and reduces dependence on internet connections. Now, we're looking at more than just a tech upgrade here. This is a serious step toward Industry 5.0. You see, unlike Industry 4.0's focus on automation, Industry 5.0 emphasized human machine collaboration, as well as flexibility and resilience. Edge AI enables collaborative robots to learn and adapt locally, which paves the way for autonomous human centered operations. Now, the cloud still has a role to play, training advanced AI models and analyzing historical data. But for the time, but for time critical tasks like fault detection or robotic movement, Edge AI takes the lead, and this ensures speed and safety. In this new era, Edge AI is becoming sort of a backbone of intelligent, adaptive, and human centric industries. Systems become resilient, responsive, collaborative. It's a future where machines think locally and humans and machines then thrive together.